Lady Gaga enthralled audience as she performed passionate rendition of the U.S. National Anthem to mark the beginning of Biden's term on Wednesday. Gaga was one of several performers tapped to participate in the day's festivities. Others include Jennifer Lopez and Demi Lovato. Her stunning performance video went viral on social media, winning hearts of people. The singer received massive applause for her performance as her vocals soared through the song to tug at the heartstrings of the listeners. Lady Gaga was looking drop-dead gorgeous in a lavish gown and a black long-sleeve top with a cascading red train. The singer also shared words with Biden and Harris prior to grabbing a gold microphone to sing the anthem.
Ladies and gentlemen, here for the singing of our national anthem, accompanied by the President's own United States Marine Band, please welcome Lady Gaga.